Hi, in circular linked list, we will have a special pointer. Here, uh, in linear linked list, that means single linked list and doubly linked list, if the list is traversed once, that means all the elements or nodes in the linked list is visited, then we needed external pointer to the list to reference the list again, right? Suppose if we have a list with three nodes, so once we visited all the nodes, we if our mouse pointer is at this position, we visited the last node, then we cannot uh, go again like this so we need some external pointer, some temporary variable like that, to store this list or to visit this list again from starting node. But in circular linked list, which is having some special pointer, that is last node will point the first node will point the first node. The address of the last node will write the address of first node. So that is the specialty of circular linked list. Here, how to create the node in circular linked list? The structure of the node here, like a single linked list. So here the data field and next field is available. Then we can create the structure by using the class node data. It depends upon the data type what you are going to use for your problem statement. Then next field is pointing towards the next node in the list. Then by using the constructor, we are assigning the data into the variable, and initially whenever we are creating the node, then here data will be inserted, then this will be created as null pointer, because the new node is always created with next field as null pointer. Here the last node references the first node. Here this is the last node, the address of the last node will be having the uh, first node. So this may be 100, 101, 102, 103. So address of first node will be 101, address of second node will address field value is 102, the third node address field will be 103, the last node address field will be 100. So which is marking the first node. So that is the thing. So here no node is having the null value. Okay, no node is having the null value in circular linked list. And here the circular linked list supporting the traversal from end node of the list also. From the end node, you can start from the end node and traverse towards the beginning by making the last node point back to the head node. You see, suppose if you want to traverse from here, you can make it here. So you can start from tail node, so 79, then 20, 30, 45, 57, like that also we can traverse. And we can start from 20 also, so 20, 30, 45, 57, finally 79. So we can start from tail node also, because the tail node is pointing the head node. The circular linked list can be represented by using with sentinel node and without sentinel node. So here without sentinel header node, so here the sentinel node, in the sense the sentinel node will have only the address field, data field will be null, the address field will have the address of next node. So here the first node itself acting as a head, then last node is the tail. But in Sentinel with Sentinel header node, with Sentinel header node. So here we are having the Sentinel node. You see here we don't have the data, only the next field is having the address of header node, address of header node. Okay, so that is the beauty of Sentinel node. So with the Sentinel node and without Sentinel node which is mentioned, so the last field will have the address of the header node, address of header node. So that is the thing. Then this is about the circular linked list, and which is having the external pointer to point out the first node, or header node is placed as the first node. That means external pointer is Sentinel node, external pointer is Sentinel node. That is the thing, right? So here the header node can be separated from others by either having the Sentinel node. So you look at here, the here this is the header node which is pointing the first node in the list. So with this, I will conclude the circular linked list introduction. Thank you.